For 9 long days, the rain refused to stop in Umwoma village. The streets were flooded, the paths to the stream were gone, and the children, all the children were restless.
Oh, it's been raining non-stop for 9 days now. I'm tired, everywhere is wet. My wrapper, my slippers, everywhere. I just want one dry day. Just one.
Chica, you've spoken my mind. I'm tired too. The rain has stolen our sunshine. I miss going to the stream, playing by the mango tree with our friends. Everywhere is just wet and ill.
Yesterday, my father said even the goats are refusing to come out. Imagine! Goats love trouble.
See thunder. The sky is angry for nothing.
Maybe it's not angry. Maybe it's just...
What are you saying, Adobe?
I said, well, I have a plan.
A plan?
To stop the rain?
Please, don't tell me you want to fight the sky now.
Laugh all you want, but you will thank me later.
What are you saying, Adobe?